Hello and welcome to the beginner tutorial for edge control. This method is useful for getting to the last layer and forcing all of these 4 edge pieces, which is then useful because the OLL is more predictable, or you can progress and learn COLL, which is where after you orient the corners they will also be in position, and I will be making a tutorial on that soon. For the beginners method, I would suggest that you leave these 2 edges to be corrected during the final insertion. So when you've made your final F2L pair, focus on these 2 edge pieces being in the correct orientation. So then the possibilities are these 4 cases, with the red-blue pair being the final F2L pair. So the insertion for this case would obviously be that, and slower, that's U, R, U prime, R prime. Basically the mirror case would be U prime, U, F. Then just the standard sledgehammer case, so this is when this one is flipped. Then because these 2 are already solved, you know that this one will be solved when you sledgehammer this, which is R prime, F, R, F prime. And the 4th case is the left-handed sledge. So F, R prime, F prime, R. If you've made your final F2L pair and these 2 edge pieces still are not solved, you just need to influence using this edge piece so that these 2 on the top are in their correct orientation. So you can do that quite simply by just replacing and then turning to this. So then when you reinsert and realign, you have the 2 edges, and then you can see that you have the sledgehammer case. So R prime, F, R, F prime. Another good thing to practice is mid-solve. So the first 2 F2L pairs have been solved in this case, and you've made your 3rd F2L pair. If you see that the insertion sledgehammer would fix this edge, and they're both the top face color that you will be needing, then you should really apply that then. So then you have that, and then you have your last F2L to do, which you can influence again with edge control. If there are any cases that you're struggling with, just send me a video of the case, and if I can give you any tips, then I will try to do so. See you in the intermediate video.